Hello, everyone. You could call me Hunch because, baby, I got a sweet little hunch, and I ain't talking about on my back. What I want you to do before we start this video, I want you to hit the like and subscribe button because they're really good. It's going to teach you lots of things. But today, I'm not going to do any editing on the video like always, so don't even expect it, okay? Today, I'm going to be talking about becoming a trader versus just holding the top dogs, okay? So what I did at the end of 2020, going into 2021, I took $11,000, which I made in trading Cash App stocks, and I decided I was going to test trading for my own benefit and for your benefit to show myself and you if it's worth it, you know. So a little background: I'm educated, I can focus, I can study, I have a doctorate, I'm no dummy, okay? Now, it doesn't mean anything, I'm not trying to show off, but I'm not just some guy who thinks he's a trader. I can, you know, study things, study patterns. But that's not the point. What would have happened if I just bought Bitcoin with that 11 grand, or if I just bought Ethereum with that 11 grand, rather than buying like Av and UMA and Algorand and blah 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 blah? How much money would I have had at the end of it? Okay, so let's get to the thingamabobbers here. Okay, right. So let's start. We got some greenbacks here. I start with 11,000 in 3 months. I ended up, I'll just tell you, with approximately $16,000. Now, whoa, baby, that feels good. That's like a 60% gainer. Wow, I'm a professional trader. No, I'm not, okay? Everything goes up. You know, there's a saying, a rising tide raises all ships or whatever. And then when the water goes down, it sinks all ships. Okay, so here we go. If I would have just put $11,000 in the big BTC, let's go over to the charts. Okay, this is Ethereum. Oh, we'll get rid of all these tabs. This is all some science stuff. Okay, so we go here. Let's see. We're on the 6-month mark. Let's go to January 1st, 2021. We'll go down here. We'll go straight up. We'll move over. And so now, let's say we're right here. Okay, at the end of it, right? We're at like 58. There we go, 58.2. Okay, so we're up 112%. Okay, so let's do some math here. 112%, 11,000 times 1.12. It's 12,320 plus 11,000. Wow, I'm not good at doing math, simple math again, because it's been a while. I would have ended up with $23,320, okay? Which is like, wow, that's like 7 grand more, okay? Remember, that's BTC. So it cost me over $7,000 to do this experiment. Okay, so let's go to 11,000 ETH. Okay, this is ETH, you little chicken babies. Okay, don't do what I do. I don't know what I'm doing with this day trading stuff. Okay, so that's BTC and the gold. Let's go to ETH. Okay, we'll go to the measuring tool. Where were we? January 1st. Okay, we started here. Let's go straight up. Where are we now? $3,789. Okay. So how much? 418% since January. Holy God. 418%. Wow. Okay. So 100,000. 1.8. Oh my goodness. I would have had $45,980. Can we all just take a moment to that's a big fat rip. Oh my God. Minus 16,000. That cost me 30 grand. That's devastating. That's devastating. The moral, I might start crying. The moral of the story is, okay, let's go back to big screen here, okay? The moral of the story is you're not as good as you think you are, or at least I'm not, okay? Now, there's some miracles, right? You can YOLO into Doge, and you would have turned, 11,000 into, God, how much? I don't even know, hundreds of thousands of dollars. But the point is, if you're not looking at this all day, every day, studying the charts, you're not professional, you're not using leverage, which could be a good or a bad thing to make extraordinary gains, just hold. I mean, just from that alone, it costs like $30,000 to do this little experiment, which is devastating to me, which means I'm never going to do the experiment again. I'm just going to hold Bitcoin and ETH and hope for massive gainers, okay? Because you know what, 30 grand for most people is life-changing, okay? And don't make the same mistakes that I made, okay? You can call me Hutch. Have a great day. Leave comments if you got any questions. Hit the like and subscribe button, please.